Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps you must install on your Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone and I'm going to show you all these applications. Okay, these are the 3 applications you must install. The first one is InShot Video Editor. Basically, you can use this application to edit your photo or your video. And I recommend you to use this application because this application is easy to use, and of course it has a lot of free features you can use to edit your photo or your video. Okay, these are the features, and most of the features are free, so I recommend you to download and install this application. Okay, here you can change your video background and then add text, add sticker, voice effect, and then add like music, and then you will be able to create like Instagram Reels video using this application, and of course you can create YouTube video using this application. Okay, and the second application is Google Play Books. This application is so cool because you will be able to read books from here, and you can read free books. Wait, I'm going to show you how we can get free books here. Okay, I'm going to filter the price to 0. Wait, okay, click on apply. Alright, and these are the free books we can read in this application. Okay, and then the last one is X Recorder. You can use this application to record your screen, and I recommend you to use this application because you can set the volume to 200 like this. Even though I have screen recorder from my Android phone, but I'm still using this one because this one has a lot of features, and you can set the video to HD quality, and it's so cool. And you can record specific part of your screen with this application. Okay, I really recommend you to install all these applications. Okay guys, and that's all the 3 apps you must install on your Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.